What's up? Alpha Lion Simba here, and welcome to another episode of Amazing Animals of the Amazon. It's time once again to get out some crackers because it's time for me to talk about another parrot, and that is the Hyacinth Macaw. So, let's begin. The Hyacinth Macaw is the world's largest flying parrot. A fully grown Hyacinth Macaw weighs 1.5 to 2 kilograms, or 3.3 to 4.4 pounds. They are 95 to 100 centimeters, or 37.4 to 39.4 inches long, and they have a wingspan of 120 to 140 centimeters, or 47.2 to 55 inches long. In the wild, the Hyacinth Macaw mainly eats seeds, nuts, fruit, and berries. It uses its large, powerful beak to crack open nuts. It's able to crack open even the hardest nuts, such as macadamias, although it prefers to eat palm nuts and pine nuts. Hyacinth macaws are very social birds. They can be seen alone, but usually form groups of up to 4 birds. They are also often found in bigger groups of between 12 and 20 birds, which often include pairs and family trios, parents and chicks. Hyacinth macaws mate for life, and nesting takes place between July and December, with nests constructed in tree cavities or cliff faces, depending on the habitat. Hyacinth macaws usually lay 1 to 3 eggs per brood, and the eggs hatch after an incubation period of 28 to 30 days. The chicks leave the nest at around 110 days of age and remain dependent on their parents until 6 months of age. They are mature and begin breeding when they are about 7 years old. The Hyacinth Macaw is currently listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. It's threatened by the destruction of the Amazon rainforest as the forest is cleared away to make room for cities and farms, but the birds are also heavily threatened by capture for the pet trade. Many die as they're being smuggled out of the country. There are currently about 2,000 to 6,500 Hyacinth macaws left in the wild. Well, that was it. My Amazing Animals of the Amazon episode on the Hyacinth Macaw. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave requests in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Alpha Lion Simba, out.